Remove the aircraft's extended port cover. Then insert the speaker's USB plug into the port. When the speaker is securely plugged into the port, tighten the screws on both sides of the base. Please check carefully and ensure the speaker is safely secured to the aircraft. Before using the speaker, please adjust its tilting angle. After the speaker is correctly mounted to the Mavic 2 Enterprise, the aircraft will automatically recognize the speaker and show a speaker icon in DJI Pilot. Tap the speaker icon to enter the speaker's broadcasting interface. The speaker has two modes, Instant Broadcast and Play Local Audio. The Instant Broadcast mode supports up to 60 seconds of audio playback. Record audio by tapping the red microphone button. Tap the red button again to upload the recorded audio. The speaker can play the recorded audio after it is uploaded. When the audio is playing, you can adjust the speaker's volume according to the actual situation. Users can save up to 10 pre-recorded audio files in the Play Local Audio mode. New audio recordings can be added in the speaker's setting menu. Audio is added the same way as in Instant Broadcast mode. Click Save and then name the audio. Then tap Confirm. After the audio is uploaded, the audio list will display the saved audio files. You can delete, rename, or listen to the recorded audio files. In the Play Local Audio mode, users can play an audio file once or put it on repeat. You can tap Exit to stop audio playing. After using the speaker, please power off the aircraft, then remove the speaker from the aircraft. Please remember to attach the port cover to protect the extended ports. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.